What happens if I'm just a renter and I'm paying my rently, my monthly rent versus if I'm a homeowner, I'm paying my mortgage? Like, what's the big difference there?
Well, the big difference is when you're paying your mortgage, you're building your equity. You know what I mean? You're building your assets and stuff like that. But once you're paying your landlord, you're building his equity or her equity. You know what I mean? So even if it's an apartment complex, you got maintenance fees and stuff like that. You're helping that apartment complex grow and them to actually be able to purchase more properties and put in more apartment complexes. You're helping your landlord build his equity up and him able to go out and invest in more purchases and get another unit, another home, and put that one out for rent as well. So you're helping their equity versus when you turn around and you actually purchase, you're building your equity.